and on right hand side you have the favelas. In Indian language it is called slum area. This area was covered and there was a international event during G20 also to hide the image of poor India. So guys, this motor vlog will be from Sector 1 Arkipuram till Vasant Kunj, and bypass road will be Sector 5 Arkipuram Munirka. So in front of you is the green signal, but I don't think that I would be able to cross that green signal because look, now it is in yellow and red. I need to slow down a bit and reduce my speed. On left hand side you have Arkipuram Sector 4, and on right hand side of the road you have Arkipuram Sector 5, and this is the bus stop of Sector 4 on left hand side. I wish I could get green signal very soon. I need to start my vehicle again. Guys, this will be a very short motor vlog because hardly it is 2 or 3 kilometers journey. Let's see. I hope I get a green signal faster. Very boring red signal again. Thank God. Green signal. But this school kid needs to learn how to cross the road. Look at them, very casual attitude of crossing the road. So I was feeling very hungry, so I took a meal in Sector 5 Arkipuram near Tamil Sangam. They provide you meal for 120 rupees, in which you get a curry, tofu curry, and 4 butter bread and yogurt. Earlier I was feeling very anxious, but now since my stomach is full, I can record the motor vlog easily. I think this is only 5 seconds, no 20 seconds. So in front of you is Munirka's furniture market. Rajbala Tokas is the MCD chairperson of this region. I guess this is the Munirka flyover, and on left hand side again furniture market. This is the Munirka bus stop. On left hand side you have Sri Rama store. First stop is Agarwal store. Always this stupid driver. This is the Sri Rama store on left hand side, and this is the Munirka Latino Pizza. Oh, behind this would be the Munirka Enclave. On right hand side you have Vasant Vihar Depot. So these are Munirka Enclave apartments. Every apartment costs more than 2 to 3 crores. Quite lush green area, because on right hand side you have Priya Park and Aravali Hills area. Although we are also moving to Aravali Hills. On left hand side you have Baba Balaknath temple, and behind this is Baba Ganganath Marg. This is also located in Aravali Hills. This is the Baba Ganganath market on left hand side, and on right hand side you have the favelas. Brazilian language. In Indian language it is called slum area. This area was covered and there was a international event during G20 also to hide the image of poor India. These are temporary homes with less protection, and these are very much vulnerable for any calamity. Thank God I got the green signal. Now let's move. I don't know when they get green signal why they move their vehicle like a tortoise. They move quickly without wasting their time. This is the green signal, but I guess will I be able to cross it? Thank God I'm able to cross it. On left hand side you have JNU campus situated in Aravali Hills. Look at this area, very lush green outfield forest area. This university was constructed in the year 1976. On right hand side you also have Aravali Hills region. So on Aravali Hills road, this road is heading towards Mahipalpur, also Vasant Kunj. Adjacent side of JNU is India Technical Education Institute under central government. Guys, here speed limit is hardly 60 kilometers per hour. But you can enjoy the hilly terrain of this road when you take a ride. Guys, I have heard that there would be a road passing through this underground road from Sankunj till Shiv Murti. It's around 4 kilometers road, and it would save traffic, and it would reduce the fuel cost of many vehicles. So beautiful road, and it gives me peace of mind. Now I will be taking U-turn because I have to move BN Small Vasant Kunj. On left hand side you can see LF Promenade, and on front we have seen ONGC office. I have to take left turn, so I need to give signal. Guys, inside the mall I won't be allowed to record in parking area, but I will try. Unfortunately I will have to end this motor vlog. It is very difficult to record further more. The Aravali Hill region forest zone. This is the ONGC flag. I guess my petrol is over and I need to refill my petrol. guys, this was it for today. We'll try to cover more Aravali Hills region. Till then, take care and stay blessed.